guys, welcome back to Monkey Craft. My little buddy Bernie, he already went to bed for the night. It's like, oh, it's almost 12:30. I was getting ready to go to bed. Check my YouTube channel and bang, I'm over 500. It's time to pick the second winner in my YouTube promotion, okay? Now, if you're just seeing this video and you weren't already signed up, get down to the description. In the description, there's a link to the video for the promotion. It's got all the rules and how you sign up and everything like that, right? Because there's still one prize left. We're still going to give away, after tonight, I'm about to pick the winner for 10 rolls of Bamboo Labs filament. Then after that, the last prize at 1,000 subscribers will be a brand new Centuri carbon printer. So if you're not already signed up, go down and check it out in the description. But right now, we're going to pick the second winner. And again, that's for 10 rolls of filament. So let's go on the computer. We'll pick that winner. All right, so we're in the random comment picker. It's time to pick the second winner for the promotion. This will be for the 10 spools of Bamboo Labs filament. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Woo! And here we are. It's Jeffrey Osario 6065. You are the winner. Okay, so the lucky winner was Jeffrey Osario 6065. Now, Jeffrey, you've got 7 days to contact me back to claim your prize, and then we'll get that filament right out to you. Okay? For those of you who have not already subscribed to my channel, please do that now, and I'll catch you in my next video. Good night, guys. Gotta go to bed.